Hi friends, we are going to start concept number 1 from psychological sections, that is your concept of growth in psychology. So name itself suggests growth is essential for the development of human beings, for the development of human personality. Particularly it is related to changes in physical structure and various dimension of one's personality. It is two types, mainly qualitative changes or quantitative changes, but growth is related to quantitative changes. So quantitative changes means growth may be limited to changes in the quantitative aspects, that is your height, weight. So growth is an indicator of increase in bodily dimension such as height, weight. So it is generally confined to quantitative changes. It also occur by multiplication of cells and increase intracellular substances. So multiplication of cells means growth is, as we know that growth is a cellular process. So multiplication of cells is possible due to changes in the organism of the individual, or physical or structural changes in the individuals. Next one is changes in the quantitative aspects, means which could be objectively measured, which could be objectively observed. So in terms of their length, in terms of their size, in terms of their height, weight, and expansion of vocabulary. So basically, growth is means of quantitative change, or it is a process that indicates stabilizing or some intrinsic factor rather than extrinsic factor. So it is a biological process. So it is an internal process. When we talking about quantitative changes, that is body of an individuals. We can take an example. If the height of a person increases from 4 to 5 feet, it means that size of the person has grown. So growth means physiological changes or structural changes or quantitative changes. So this is the process when human child develops gradually growth possible. First କ'ଣ କରିଥାଏ ନା ଗୁରୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରେ, ଦେନ୍ ଠିଆ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ, ଦେନ୍ ଚାଲିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ, ଦେନ୍ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ. So it goes on process. So it requires time, it requires maturation. So after completion of one stage, then child can go for next steps. So then the definitions given by various psychologists regarding the concept of growth. First definition is Encyclopedia of Britannica. They defined as increase in size and amount of entity. So it is related to increase in body structure, increase in height, increase in nervous system, increase in body structure. So amount of energy. This means biological process. So according to Harlock, that is your important definition. So Harlock defined change in size, change in proportions, and disappearance of old features and acquisition of new ones. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟିଏ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ନା ତା'ର ନ୍ୟୁ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖୁଛି, ସେତେବେଳେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଜିନିଷ ରେ ମୋଡ଼ିଫିକେସନ୍ ଆସେ। ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆମର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛୋଟବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ପାଣି ବୋଟଲଟେ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ଯାଉଛୁ, ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ବଡ଼ ହେଲେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଲ୍ଟିଟିଏ ଫିଜିକାଲି ଆମେ ଟେକି ପାରୁଛୁ. ଇଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ change in proportion, change in energy, change in acquisition of new ones. So Harlock defined their opinions regarding the concept of growth. Then according to Crow and Crow, they defined growth refers to structural and physiological changes in the organs of the individuals. So physiological changes in the organs of individuals. Then according to Frank, growth is regarded as multiplication of cells, as growth in height and weight. As we already discussed the concept of Frank, so next we'll discuss about the importance features or characteristic nature of growth. That is, growth is physiological changes in the organism. So it is physical. So physiological changes in the organism of an individuals. So it is physiological changes, means structural changes, change in body structure, change in height, change in weight. So it is physiological. So growth is cellular. It is a cellular process. As we know that it is a biological process, so growth is cellular process. Then growth depends on heredity and environments. Growth depends on heredity and environment. गोटे पिलार ବୃଦ୍ଧି ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହୁ ତା ପାଇଁ ତା'ର ପରିବେଶ ତା'ର ବଂଶ ଅନୁସାରେ ତା'ର ବୃଦ୍ଧି ହେଇଥାଏ। କାହିଁକି ନା ତା ପରିବେଶରେ ଯଦି ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଆମେ ନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରିସନ୍ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଆମେ ଫୁଡ଼ିଂ ହ୍ୟାବିଟ୍ ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରୁ ଦେନ୍ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏଜ୍ର ପିଲାର ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ। ହେରିଡ଼ିଟି ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମର ବହୁତ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ରହେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲର ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ। ହେରିଡ଼ିଟିରି ଥ୍ରୁ ଜିନ୍ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଗୋଟିଏ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ରୁ ଅଲଗା ଜେନେରେସନ୍କୁ transmit ହେଇଥାଏ that influence the individual bodily structures. So growth is hereditary and environment both influence the development of and growth of the individuals. So it is nature and nurture. So we can say that nature and nurture plays important roles in the physiological changes of an individuals. So growth in change in shape, form, structure, size of the body is also known as growth. So growth stop at particular maturation. So ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଚାଇଲ୍ଡହୁଡ଼ର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇସାରିଲେ ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ ଆଡୋଲେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋସିଡ଼୍ କରୁଛୁ। ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆମେ ଆଡୋଲେସନ୍ସରୁ ଆଡଲ୍ଟହୁଡ଼। ସୋ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଚୁରେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡ଼୍ କରୁଛୁ। ସୋ ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଆଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଚୁରେସନ୍ସ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମେକାନିଜମ୍ ରେଗୁଲେଟ୍ସ ଦି ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ that is called maturations. It regulates an individual process of growth because only one stage completion hele ame next stage ku proceed karuchu. So that is also possible in scientific way. So growth can always be measured in quantitative term but can be assessed only qualitatively. We can assess growth as qualitatively by observing the physical structure. So growth is a part of development. So development is consist of all the areas like functional and structural changes and physical, emotional, social, all areas. So growth is measurable. We can measure by applying by through scientific instruments. We can measure the particular height of the individual, particular weight of the individual. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ measure କରୁ ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ scientific instrument use କରୁ that is objective, that is universal in nature. Then rate of growth is not uniform because ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର rate of growth physical structure ବଢ଼ିବା ଛୁଆ ବେଡ଼ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିକି ୟଙ୍ଗ ଆଡଲ୍ଟହୁଡ଼ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁ ହାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଦି ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍। କାହାର ବହୁତ ରାପିଡ଼ ୱେରେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥାଏ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଇନ୍ କେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଗାର୍ଲସ ତାଙ୍କର ହାଇଟ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଥଟା କ୍ୱିକଲି ଥାଏ ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ କେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବଏଜ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସ୍ଲୋ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍। So growth is not uniform at all, because it depends on the individual's living styles, individual environment, individual hereditary influences. So that plays significant roles in deciding the individual growth of the in an organism, in the individual changes. So thank you. This is all about the concept of growth.